my channel. So in this video we're going to be taking a look at the new update in Adopt Me. So what happened was there's a new update in the Sky Castle. There is a new pet coming. It's not out yet. It's called the Cobra pet, and there is new flags or something. Let me check. So we're going to be taking a look at the update. So let's start. Also guys, in case you didn't know, the potion shop is also removed. So these are the flags. Okay, these are nice. Okay, so now I'm going to go take a look at the Sky Castle. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to teleport to gifts. Hopefully it does not glitch again. Oh, okay, it's not glitching. I'm waiting for my game to load because the buildings are invisible. Can you guys see? The buildings are okay, fine. It's normal again. Okay, so now I'm gonna I'm gonna go. Where was the potion shop? I don't even remember where it was. I think it was somewhere there. Oh yes, it was right over here. Can you guys see? Yeah. Okay, so it is removed, and all of the if you guys didn't know, in the potion shop we also had the same potions that we had in the Sky Castle, but it was the fly and ride potion weren't there. So I think now the fly and ride potions, I cannot even speak right now, are also going to be in the Sky Castle. I think so. Okay, so right now I'm going up. Oh wow, this looks really nice. They also expanded from the outside. Okay, let me just zoom out a little. Okay, wow, this looks really cool. We have this new building type thing, I don't know what you call it. And we have this, oh, okay. It has water going through here. Okay, that's very interesting. And we have the trampoline part, so let's go in and see what happens. As also guys, the toy shop got a new update, so I think that's why the the Sky Castle got a new update as well, because I think Adopt Me is updating the old buildings to oh my god, oh wow, this is so nice. It says Cobra coming soon. Okay, let's see what happens. Here we have the Grow potion. Okay, 395. Why am I taking a look at the... Is there a door here? Oh, okay. Then we have all the potions, the Grow potion, the Small Sip potion, the Ride and Fly potion. You know, go in. Wow, this is so nice. We have the Bigot potion. Okay, I need my Frost Dragon out. Wow, this looks so nice. Can you guys see? Wow, this is a real... Are these clouds? Adopt Me tried to make these look like they're clouds. That is so nice. Okay. We have the second floor. Wow, you can even buy it from the stairs. Okay. I'm just checking every door because you never know when you can come in. We have the translucent tea potion. Oh, this is so nice. Okay, then we have this. I don't know what you call it. We have some glowing trees. We have a hyperspeed potion, and I think here we are supposed to go to the trampoline. Yes. Is it the Cobra pet? Okay, it's not right in the shop. I really hope it comes. It's definitely going to be Robux because it's a premium pet. So it's going to be Robux, but that is fine. It's going to be in the shop, and yeah. I'm guessing it would be about 200 till 300 Robux, because you guys can see that this is 200, 550. On average, it's going to be a 300, I think. I'm not sure. So I really love this update. It's so nice. The Sky Castle looks so much better. The old one is kind of plain, if I'll be honest, but this one is so nice. Okay, let me just go fly up a little. Alright, so this was a fun video. I took a look at the updates. It was really nice. So I'll see you guys next time.